Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today's Thanksgiving. All right, so not going to have a big full video today, but just want to give you a couple of different reminders. First of all, Thanksgiving. Hello, McFly. Make sure that you give thanks. Make sure that you express gratitude. In your morning, quiet thinking time, always remember the first thing you do is express gratitude. Send that vibe out there. When you send that vibe out there, the universal partner wants to help you more. Why? Because you're grateful for what you already have. That's a key element. And if you're above ground, there are a zillion reasons why you should be grateful. I always make as a minimum 20 different reasons why we should be grateful every single day. The other thing I want to mention to you is, today's a holiday, it's Thanksgiving. That doesn't mean that you don't do your quiet thinking time, that you don't do your reading that you do every day, that you don't do your visualizing every day. Okay, it's a holiday, but what separates the 5%er, the 1 out of 20 from the 95%er, is the fact that they do more than what the typical person does. So take that personal time, have that quiet thinking time, and visualize your objective. You got to do it every day. It's compound interest. Understanding the virtue of compound interest is a key element in anyone's success, and that goes from your activity also to your mindset. So let's get our mindset straight. Let's enjoy the day. Let's enjoy the turkey. Let's not become a turkey. Does that make sense? All right. And once again, happy holiday to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And until we get together next time, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.